Welcome back, folks. Today what we're going to be making is chicken bone broth. What we have here is an electric water bath canner, but it does real good for making bone broth. You can also use a crock pot, an Instapot, or just a pot on the stove, whatever you happen to have. What I have here is 2 frozen chicken carcasses. We'll put them in. It's just stuff you just put it in the freezer there after you get done eating the chicken, or if you got onions. We're going to be adding some onions and onion skins to this. Alrighty, there we're throwing in some onions and onion skins. We've just kept them in the freezer. We've kept them in there along the way. And then also we're going to be adding carrots and some celery. Three or 4 bay leaves. Alrighty. About a tablespoon of peppercorns here in a minute. We'll have the recipe in the description. There's our peppercorns. We're going to be putting in a tablespoon of parsley. And we didn't have no cloves of garlic, so what we're doing, Carolyn put in 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, a teaspoon of thyme, two teaspoons of salt, give or take some there. She also added 2 teaspoons of turmeric just a little bit later on. And then put you in some filtered water just to cover the stuff up. This had already been cooking for a little while, and she remembered she'd forgot the apple cider vinegar. That is very important, she said. That helps pull the bone marrow and the stuff out of the bones, all the good stuff. She cooked this roughly around 36 hours. She said the longer you cook it there, the more goodness it'll pull out of the bones. And then just skim off the big stuff there. Pour it through cheesecloth. Alrighty. Now what we're going to do, we're going to heat it back to boiling again, Carolyn said. And fill your jars up, leave a 1-inch head space. And she's going to pressure can them for 35 minutes. And for our altitude where we live at, folks, that will be 15 pounds pressure. You just need to check to see what your elevation is to see what pound pressure you need to use. Most of you people out there already know this. But for some of the new canners out there, just check. We don't want nobody getting sick or anything. And folks, this bone broth, it is real good stuff. It helps with your joints, arthritis. It helps of wintertime or anytime you get a cold. You can look it up online. It says it's rich source of minerals and the gelatin and the amino acids that helps to heal your gut. Also makes you feel good and just tastes good. We also like to use it if we're making something there to pour that in to cook with. But anything you use broth with, making soups, rice, it's a lot better than the store-bought kind, folks. And you know what's going into it. Folks, we're getting close to the end of the video here. There's a little bit left. I'd just like to tell you thank you for watching us and subscribing. If you've got any questions at all, you just holler and let us know. We'll try to answer them. If we don't know the answer, we'll try to find the answer for you. But just if you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit the little bell notification down there. And share it with your friends. If you think we might have something that they like, share it with them. You all have a blessed evening. Thank you again for watching.